In the heart of Africa. As the first light of dawn touches the land, a timeless story begins. A land without boundaries. A rhythm older than memory. Far in the distance, life is already on the move. Wildebeest graze. Zebras stand watch. For now, there is peace. But in the wild, peace never lasts. A signal, felt, not heard. Stillness becomes motion. And suddenly, the land trembles beneath thousands of hooves. The migration has begun. The sky darkens. Rain crashes down. Mud. Slippery. Relentless. But there is no stopping. Only forward. Then, the river. Beneath the surface, danger waits. Crocodiles. They leap. Water explodes. Some survive, others don't. On land, a lion watches. Then, the chase. Speed against speed. Life against death. Days pass. The herd moves as one. Driven by something deeper than fear. Hope. At last, green returns. The journey ends. Only to begin again. Because life in the wild is a cycle. Endless. Unbroken.